Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Snowball in 7 Days to Die. This can be used to make the Juice smoothie or to distract zombies. So to begin, first of all, search some points of interest and find these snow machines, which have the appearance of this, and just pick out your pickaxe and go ahead and mine it. And once you do, you're going to get some snowballs from it. And now for the second and the best option is to find the snow biome, go inside of it, pick out your shovel, and go ahead and mine the upper layer of this biome. This is going to give you a lot of snowballs, as you can see, and to maximize the amount that you get, go to skills, go to strength, and here, go ahead and upgrade these two first skills inside of the construction perks to the maximum that you can, because this is going to increase the damage of the shovel and also increase the yield of the ore that you mine, or the snow. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.